Here they come. There they go. They're off and pacing once again in here. They're coming from the outside. Bedham Jenny from the grandstand side. Gracious Minnie along the rail fired out. And Bedham Jenny's on the run now, rounding the turn. On the front end, Gracious Minnie the leader. Second towards the rail, Mademoiselle Nell. From the outside, Bedham Jenny finds her stride, moving up third and after the leader. Fourth towards the rail, that is up front Daisy. Artie's Kate fifth, Landed Alien sixth. Seventh is Eastern Eden, trailing the field. Caspiana. So Bedham Jenny, who was on the run rounding the turn, she now makes front for Kenny Murphy. Off an opening quarter, 29 and 2. Second at the rail is Gracious Minnie, a little gapped out third. Mademoiselle Nell racing fourth. That is up front Daisy, pacing from fifth as they move down the stretch towards that opening half mile. On the move, that's Landed Alien first up. Following from the outside, that is Eastern Eden. Ari's Kate now seventh. Outside Caspiana the trailer. Halfway home in the second, and it's Bedham Jenny, the midway point leader in 101 and a 1 fifth. Second is Gracious Minnie. First up, that's Landed Alien third. Fourth at the rail, Mademoiselle Nell. Eastern Eden on the outside, fifth. Up front, Daisy starting to gap out now in sixth. Facing seventh, Caspiana. Artie's Kate the trailer. Here comes the three quarters, and it's Bedham Jenny getting him there. In between horses, Landed Alien. Eastern Eden trying his luck. Three high third. Fourth at the rail, that's Gracious Minnie. Three quarters in a 1. 32 and 2. Midway on the turn for the final time. Still Bedham Jenny from the outside, Landed Alien. Gracious Minnie may loom the danger as she awaits the passing lane, and they're turning on home. Bedham Jenny, but Murphy's all over her. Here's Landed Alien. Gracious Minnie coming up the rail. Oh, she's going to get it all. Gracious Minnie and Lenny Myers. Landed Alien second. Bedham Jenny will finish third. It's Gracious Minnie, 2, 3, and 3.